demoing you so this is almost done, right, in terms of functionalities. So let me just go one by one. Let me sign into the first user first, which is a patient 2. All right, and this is on Safari. Let me sign into patient 1 here. All right, cool. So now we both in the 2 pages, right, with a different account. Let me go to the home screen. And we click on the chatbots right here, both of them, right? It seems like patients 2 has already have the appointments at 1:30 on the September 2nd, right? But this one does not have. So let me show you like how this one can. Actually, before I do that, as you can see on the top right here, it's showing it's the week of 28 August, right? And you're like to see the next following week's availability. You can do that as well. So you just click on here. It will load up the next week availability, right? One more. So it's loading like this, meaning that they don't have any availability, right? So you can just like click to go back and see what else they have. All right, let's see that. Let's pick to September 3rd, right? Let's click on it. Are you sure? Yep. This will be loading. Success. Redirecting. And you click back on here. There you go. September 3rd, 10:30, right? And what's cool thing about this? Let's say that let me go to calendar. And calendar here as well. As you can see, the appointment will show up here. And this one will show up here as well. So let me cancel this just to show you something cool real quick. So now you don't have the appointment anymore. Okay, this one was taking its time. How about let's consider a rare occasions. Let's see that like 2 users are trying to like schedule the same time at the same minute. Like what's the result of that? Do we have any like safety gear for that? So let's pick the same date, which is let's choose this one, right? August 29 at 10:30, and I will try to like click and both at the same time. So let's do that. All right, they're both finished, but let's see who actually got it. It looks like patient 2 has gotten it, but not the patient 1. As you can see, the 10:30 is gone right here. So it's a little hard to catch it in real time, but in the back end, it should still catch it, right? It does not allow the same meeting for like the same appointment at the same time. So now that is it. Patient can come back and see their calendar, right? Like usual. So let me just pick September 2nd, right? Because I want to show you something else as well. All right, cool. This one's done. Yep, just scheduled for September 2nd, 1:30. All right, let's go to the doctor, right? Because these both are assigned to the same doctors. And for the naming conventions, we'll be creating like a real person's name after this one. So this is just for the demo purposes. And this is just a account like profile's name, or I mean the upcoming, right? But we plan to put everything in the calendars and manage schedule. So this is where all the important stuff is happening. So you click on calendar, right? As you can see, this is all like all your appointments with the other 2 patients that just did it. One on the 29th and one on the 2nd. And let's go to manage schedule. Let me show you something cool. All right, as you can see here, right? When it says red like this, meaning that the schedules is taken. Someone has scheduled for this hours. So at a quick glance, you can see like, oh, like I have like one slot of time has been taken already, right? So this is like for the quick glance visibility. So I think this is really it's gonna be like helpful for the doctors to like take a quick glance at their schedule. And I believe he has another one as well on the 2nd, right? There you go. So this is pretty much, it's showing like the next 7 days of the selected date you selected here, right? So it's come from like 29 to September 2nd. As you can see, 1:30 is also taken right here. Cool. All right, let's say you want to delete it, right? That's easy. Just delete right here. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Now, anything, any time slots associated with that calendar, with that specific date will be deleted, and also the appointment will also be deleted, right? So this is like really kind of like a crucial, like whether or not you want to delete it for sure. You need to make sure that you want to delete because they will delete the appointment that associated with it as well. So if I refresh this right here, user will be taken back to like you see appointment date, right? So they have their schedule again. So coming back to the admin account, let's say that hey, you know what? Looks like Monday and Tuesday is empty. So let's schedule something for those 2 dates. So that should be 8/31st, right? So as you can see right here, by default, this is the available schedule time. So this we can talk with the organization later on what time they want to put in here. So this should be easy. So by default, it should include all of this time, right? You click with the schedule. There you go. See that? Now let's create one for this Tuesday. So let's say it's Tuesday. Your doctor's pretty busy, right? He's only like available in the afternoon. So let's like block out this time, right? So let's see he's available after 1:30. So let's do that as well. As you can see, it's already like showing the three time slots, right? And all of this is like a no availability because doctor has not like scheduled anything for this one. So the main thing is this is all I can think of for the functionalities, right? I think this should be enough for doctors and patients to be able to schedule efficiently, right, and really easily as well. I'm planning to add more functionality later. Also, you have any like suggestions? What else needs to be needed? Feel free to let me know. It should be it for the demo. For the treatment and the records, like medical records and stuff like that, we plan to like push out for the phase 2. So what I'm doing right now is focusing on the appointments only and have it available for the organization to use. So yeah, let me know if you have any like feedbacks or questions, Greg. All right, talk to you later. Bye bye.